Question number 4. The quadratic function passes through the points w, 0 and w plus 6, 0. Find in terms of w the x-coordinate of the turning point. So let's begin by graphing this. The rough sketch here. We're not exactly sure what this quadratic looks like, but we know that the y value is 0. So we'll just guess over here. We'll just say that this is w, 0. We know that the other point has another x-coordinate, which is 6 units to the right. So we'll just pretend that this here is w plus 6, 0. Now we're interested in the x-coordinate of the turning point. Now if the quadratic passes through these 2 points, we know the vertex must be somewhere in between. So it must be between these 2 points, which would be either here or here. We're not sure if this is going to be a sad face or a happy face. The parabola can cut through these 2 points here, but we do know that the vertex must be between these 2 points. So the distance from here to here is going to be w plus 6 minus w, which is 6. So these 2 points are 6 units apart. So that means the halfway point is going to be 6 divided by 2. So w plus 6 minus w equals 6. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So we know that this here, the distance between this first point and to the middle must be 3. So what we have here, we'll just suppose this is the vertex. The x-coordinate of this vertex, the turning point, would be w plus 3, comma, y, which is what we're not sure. We're not sure what the y coordinate is, but that's not the question. The question is, it's where it's turning. And so what this could look like is you can see the graph starts turning over here, going uphill to downhill. Or perhaps the graph could look like this, where it starts turning. This is the turning point.